state of Utah faces growing opposition over a newly passed drunk driving law. It lowers the legal blood alcohol limit from .08 to .05. Now that makes it the lowest threshold in the nation. The law is set to go into effect late next year. But some businesses are already fighting back as the National Restaurant Lobbying Group launches a new ad campaign. Carter Evans is at a craft brewery in Salt Lake City. Carter, good morning.
Good morning. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, a 160-pound man could hit the limit after just 2 drinks in 1 hour. Now, lawmakers are hoping the new lower limit will convince people to think twice about driving drunk. Opponents of the new law want to convince people who come here it could have serious legal consequences. The new ad campaign is aggressive, warning tourists traveling to Utah, come for vacation, leave on probation. It's a jab at the state's new drunk driving law.
Reluctantly, I think they have a point.
Doug Hoffling is COO of Squatters Brewery in Salt Lake City. He worries the ads and the upcoming lower blood alcohol limit will scare people away. What do you think people are going to do there? Are they not going to come because they can't drink as much?
That's what we're afraid of. We think conventions will stop coming here, and what's going to happen is every other state's going to come and try and steal our business.
State Representative Norm Thurston sponsored the bill and says it will save lives by deterring people from drinking and driving.
The public safety impact of this is so compelling that it's worth doing.
Even though you've already got the lowest DUI death rate in the country?
Yeah, we're not at zero.
The National Transportation Safety Board has recommended a .05 blood alcohol limit since 2013. Utah will be the first state to adopt it. There are a lot of businesses and restaurants that are concerned about how this is going to impact their bottom line.
It's hard to feel too much sympathy for people whose business model is to profit from people who choose to drink and drive.
None of us are trying to sell to people to drive drunk. We are responsible business operators, and none of us want that. This bill really and truly is about stigmatizing alcohol and punishing those who serve it.
The new ads, backed by the American Beverage Institute, blatantly point that out.
This law targets moderate, responsible social drinkers, and it doesn't target the high BAC, hardcore drunk drivers who cause the vast majority of alcohol-related fatalities.
Predominantly Mormon, Utah is known for an intricate web of liquor laws that have included selling low-alcohol near beer and setting up so-called Zion curtains to shield children from seeing bartenders mix alcoholic drinks. And now restaurant owners say an even more difficult business climate is brewing.
Tourism and hospitality are a major, major industry in the state of Utah. I'm terrified of the economic effects that could have.
Now, opponents are hoping to either repeal the law before it goes into effect or lessen the penalties. Lawmakers say it's already having an impact here, even though it doesn't go into effect until 2018, because it has already lowered DUI arrests. And they're now hoping other states will follow suit. Norah?
All right, Carter, thank you so much.